Welcome back to Trades, and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, as always, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And today I'm going to be covering a stock I do believe has very great potential in the future. It's one you might have to hold on for a little while, but I do believe when it gets going, it will get going, and I will be telling you guys why in the next few minutes. But before I get into that, if you haven't been following my channel, do make sure to subscribe and turn those notification bells on, because I did mention here Celsius Holdings at $24-25, and the next day Celsius Holdings had a 30% move. So guys, a 30% move overnight for those of you that watched my video and got into Celsius Holdings before the big move. So if you do want more plays like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting content most days of the week and get you guys ahead of the game when it comes to these kind of investments. So guys, we're going to be covering ABCL today, and I like ABCL for many reasons. Of course, it's considered a penny stock by some, Canadian penny stock. So essentially, what does ABCL do? So ABCellera Biologics is a clinical stage biotechnology company that has been making significant strides in the development of innovative antibody therapies. The company has a strong foundation in antibody discovery and development and has been transitioning to a clinical stage biotech by focusing on advancing its internal programs and building its pipeline capabilities. One of the key areas of focus for ABCellera Biologics is its T-cell engager platform, which has significant potential in the treatment of cancer. The TCE platform is a technology that enables the creation of biospecific antibodies that can selectively activate T cells to attack cancer cells. The company believes that its TCE platform has the potential to be a game changer in the treatment of cancer and is investing heavily in its development. ABCellera Biologics has already demonstrated the efficacy of its TCE platform in preclinical studies and is now working to advance its lead TCE candidates into clinical trials. The company is also exploring the potential of its TCE platform in combination with other therapies, such as checkpoint inhibitors, to enhance its efficacy. With its TCE platform, ABCellera Biologics is poised to make a significant impact in the treatment of cancer and is well positioned to establish itself as a leader in the field of immuno-oncology. ABCellera Biologics is also prioritizing its internal programs with a focus on advancing its lead assets, including ABCL635 and ABCL575, into clinical trials. The company is also investing in the development of a new industry standard quality manufacturing facility and has established partnerships with major pharmaceutical companies, including Eli Lilly. Overall, ABCL ranks second in the Hughes list of best Canadian penny stocks to buy according to analysts. While they acknowledge the potential of ABCL to grow, their conviction lies in the belief that AI stocks hold great promise for delivering high returns and doing so within a shorter time frame. So guys, that is a breakdown of ABCL and what this company does. However, I do have some more to share with you. I'll just share another article with you. I won't share all of them today. I'll just share this one more. So essentially, this one goes on about how ABCL was awarded a multi-year contract to lead the development of a rapid response platform against pandemic viral threats. So it mentions here that ABCellera Biologics announced today that it was awarded a contract from the Defense Advanced to develop rapid countermeasures against viral outbreaks. Over the 4-year contract, ABCellera will receive up to $30 million in funding, which is a great amount, guys, a very good amount to receive in the funding, and this is to establish an end-to-end platform for rapid pandemic response and will lead an internationally recognized team of experts in virology antibody discovery and gene therapy. And for those who don't know, in 2020, ABCL were involved in screening antibodies from blood samples during the COVID-19 pandemic. So that is something that I will discuss in a later video. But what I've told you today, I do believe is a great starting point as to why this stock can do well long term. I'll be sharing more detail about this stock in the next few videos, but I do believe this is a very, very promising sector in IO biotech, and I do believe this is one stock to definitely keep an eye out on in the near future. So I'm not so focused on the daily right now. They do have earnings on the 27th of February, but again, I'm not too focused on that. As you can see, earnings haven't been so great over the past few years. Our price has held steady here at around $2.40, so around $2.50. However, what I'm mainly focused on is the weekly chart here. So you can see here, it's currently trading within this weekly resistance here, and what we need is for ABCL to break above $3.50 with a clean high volume move to break to the upside, in which I'll be targeting higher prices. So the prices I'll be looking at is this price right here at around $6. I do believe this is a decent target for ABCL if we do see more development, which will be a clean. And from there, we can see a further move up to the $8 region. And of course, we've got all this imbalance to fill here at around $8.60. So I do believe this will be a very nice target for ABCL should we get further developments and should the stock take off once it breaks above this weekly resistance. And as you can see here, this stock was once trading at $70. Okay, so of course, never say never, but of course we do have some gaps to fill. So let's hope we see some further developments from this company, and hopefully we can see higher prices from this stock. It is one I am betting on long term. Of course, should we see these developments, there's no reason why the stock can't have very explosive price action like we saw with Palantir over the past year or two. But I do believe this stock is a low risk buy at the moment, and is one you just want to hold for the next year or two. Of course, your risk for this stock, it is around $2 or $2.50. Of course, if we do start closing below that level around $2, then things will get ugly. But for now, I do believe this is a very decent buy. It does look bottomed out, it breaks above the weekly, and it flies. So yeah, if it is something that you're looking to get into, guys, I will be making more videos on this, so do definitely keep an eye out for those videos by subscribing and turning those post notifications on. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next video.